So beautiful people, our pepper soup is ready. This is plantain and goat meat pepper soup. The aroma of this is yummy and delicious. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much. In this video I want to prepare plantain and goat meat pepper soup. So this is my ingredients for the pepper soup. Here is onion and ginger, garlic. This is scotch bonnet pepper with scotch bonnet pepper, the yellow one. So here is bay leaf, negro pepper, alligator pepper and clove. This is seasoned cubes. Here is crayfish and calabash nutmeg powder. This is curry powder. Here is our goat meat we want to use. You see, so we have ripe plantain. So this is my salt. Beautiful people, follow us. If you are just seeing us for the first time, share our video with your friend and family. Subscribe for more videos. So follow us. Yes, I want to wash the goat meat. This is negro pepper, alligator and clove. This is bay leaf. So I want to add it to the pot. It's ready. take. Yeah.
Really?
Hmm? Beautiful people, thank you for watching, and this pepper soup will be delicious. If you are just in for the first time, subscribe, share, like, comment. Hmm? Sesame cubes, salt, groundnut oil, so beautiful people, pepper soup is ready. This is plantain and goat meat pepper soup. The aroma of this is yummy and delicious. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. This is our delicious goat meat and plantain pepper soup. I'll see you where we'll be eating this delicious pepper soup. Bye bye. Mwah. What? Mama la biti. Mama la biti. Yeah, come and change your food.